Good afternoon, YouTubers. We're still at it out here. And Barack 3 is up to 28.4 pounds. Big beefy boy. And I moved my radio over a bit and I could fit my microwave up here. So that'll come in handy those cold winter days if I want to reheat my coffee. I'm putting a new backboard on this thing here. I tore off the old junk and I'm squaring it up as much as possible. I don't know how many years ago this was made, probably way older than me maybe, because it's got that rough cut lumber, or they made it out of scrap lumber. But they got a lot of nails in there and the nails are a little bit loose, so I'm throwing shark bite screws in there to hold that together. If I get all the looseness and wobble out of here, it might be a decent, cheap bastard workbench. Oh, and I have a fashion and cooling work tip for you. These micro cloths, you get them wet, you can wipe your face off. To wrap them around your neck here, you got a cooling device to keep your cool. I gotta get back to work here. I get back to screwing around. I put one screw in over there and it broke off. I'm gonna try and I got two screws in here. I'll put a couple in there. I'll put a little spit on this one this time. Yeah, that one went in there. The one I put in that hole broke off. This is real hard wood under there. I put a fresh battery in this to supercharge it. I need more junk in this garage. Love these shark bites. I'm putting them in at different angles to make it more secure. This guy probably had a few beers when he's working on this project here, because this thing's come out flush. I'm going to pepper the back here with more screws. That'll keep it from wobbling every other which way. Got two screw guns going here. More efficiently, you don't have to go back and forth changing bits. These are just drywall screws I'm using on this part here. nice. I'm liking that. There's about a 3/16 of an inch sticking out that way, but we're just going with what we got here. The plywood will hold it tight, pick up the gap. Maybe I should have drilled little pilot holes. That would have been extra work. I did that whole roll across the back there, and I got my square out and kind of squared the legs up as much as I could with this mangled old thing. But we're not going for perfection. It's a workbench. If you're perfect, you get nailed to the cross. The plywood is pretty darn hard. All right. Now all I gotta do is cut some plywood to fit the sides, and it should be good to go. Don't you know? God bless the YouTubers and America.